I think people create because it's a way to kind of escape that mundane of everyday life. It offers an outlet that you might not necessarily have in other areas, and it's just enjoyable. It's a fun way to spend time. I'm Ned, I'm studying product and furniture design, I'm first year. So my granddad was a designer maker all his life, a very creative person, and most famously he worked on models for Thunderbird 2, and he's been a big influence on me and my journey with creativity and working. I've just kind of grown up around it and it's really kind of made me want to pursue it. So we're currently designing souvenirs for the Hulbert Museum. My project I've called Shadowscapes. It is a shadow projector that basically takes a piece from the museum and projects it onto the walls and ceiling. Starting with some sketches, I want to explore a range of ideas using different light sources. Next step in the process for me was to go into 3D rendering. I quite like designing in CAD. It just works for me better, helps me get those ideas out properly the way I want them to be. For me, it works well. Today I'm taking some ash from Newton Park campus and I'm machining that into sections to make my framing for my light box. Today I'm going to be laser cutting the side panels for my box, and I've had a lot of trouble with testing up until now, but I think I've got it ready now. Tim, the technician in the 3D Tech Lab, was really helpful with all of that and basically helped me guide me through it. All the workshops at Locksbrook are absolutely amazing. The technicians are so eager and happy to help you. And it doesn't matter what you're working on, they're just there and they really, really want to support you. So it took a little bit more testing, but I got there in the end and it's working really well and I'm really pleased with it. So I have to account for a 0.13 tolerance that the laser takes off, and it's been an absolute nightmare, but it's sorted now and I'm really pleased with the results. So Locksbrook is a really just unique place. Everywhere you look there's something going on, there's someone doing something interesting, and it's a really good place in terms of workshops to try whatever you want to. All the workshops I've been in have far exceeded my expectations. I remember when I was looking at unis, this was my main reason for coming here. It was the technical facilities. They're all so well equipped and there's very little you can't do at Locksbrook. I want to learn as much as I can and experiment as much as I can. I think creativity is a lot about playing, and having this environment to kind of nurture that is massive. Alright, so today we're finally approaching final assembly, which is going to be good. I've got all the individual components ready to go. I've just got a bit more finishing to do on the wood. Now I just need to get a full batch ready for display at the Hulbert. So the Hulbert Museum has this really interesting history around light, kind of to enhance the space. Like back in the days of the Sydney Pleasure Gardens, they had like the earliest firework displays, and it was lit up by lanterns at night time, which was like much before any other public space in Bath. And I kind of wanted to capture that fascination and curiosity within this project. Once I had a finished piece, it was really just a relief to see it. I'd put a lot of time into them. I think it shows in the final product, and I'm really pleased with how they've come out. With all the briefs, there's so much room for interpretation and personality to come through, especially with this project. We've all taken such different paths through it, and just having that freedom as well as the support alongside it from lecturers and then technicians who will support you with whatever you're making. It's a really nurturing environment to create in. My favourite thing about the course would be the people I'm with every day. Where it's smaller classes than a traditional course, you get this real sense of community within it, and I think we really push each other to do better. There's a bit of everyone in every project, and it's lovely. It's a really nice way to be.